Hello. Today's lesson is about weekend plans in French. First, listen to a short dialogue in French. And after that, I will explain everything to you in English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Bonjour les amis. Nous sommes quel jour aujourd'hui?
Nous sommes vendredi.
Ah, c'est le week-end. Quels sont vos projets? Pour le week-end?
Samedi, je vais faire du shopping et dimanche, nous allons voir un film.
C'est un bon plan. Samedi, je suis à la maison et dimanche, je vais chez mes grands-parents.
C'est génial. Samedi, je vais au théâtre et dimanche, je vais à la piscine.
Ça va être un week-end agréable.
Bon week-end.
It is a short conversation between four friends. Hello, friends. What day is it today? It's Friday. Ah. It's the weekend. What are your plans for the weekend? On Saturday, I'm going shopping, and on Sunday, we're going to see a movie. That's a good plan. On Saturday, I'm staying at home, and on Sunday, I'm going to my grandparents' house. That's great. On Saturday, I'm going to the theater, and on Sunday, I'm going to the pool. It's going to be a nice weekend. Have a good weekend. Very good, children. And now, it's time to review our French words.
Bonjour,
Hello.
les amis.
Friends.
Nous sommes,
We are.
aujourd'hui,
Today.
lundi,
Monday.
mardi,
Tuesday.
mercredi,
Wednesday.
jeudi,
Thursday.
vendredi,
Friday.
samedi,
Saturday.
dimanche,
Sunday.
le week-end,
The weekend.
les projets,
Plans.
faire du shopping,
Go shopping.
voir un film,
See a movie.
un bon plan,
A good plan.
à la maison,
At home.
les grands-parents,
Grandparents.
le théâtre,
The theater.
la piscine,
The pool.
c'est génial,
It's great.
agréable,
Enjoyable.
bon week-end.
Have a good weekend.